What's up guys, welcome to your fifth Android application development tutorial again with me Nitesh, and in this tutorial I'm gonna basically set up the graphical layout of our first application, in which I will show you how you can add two numbers. And to do that, you need to make a text field where user can enter that two number. So I'm gonna click on the text field and select the number which has decimal on their braces. So I'm gonna drag and drop it right there where the central green line appears. So drag and drop. That will set up the text view. And if you go over here to the right, in the properties panel there will be an ID for this. If you select this, and it will show you ID. You can change it, the ID, to like num1. Hit enter and hit on yes, hit on the OK, and yeah, good to go. Then you need to enter second number. So again I'm gonna drag and drop a number field from text field right below it, and you can double click on it to change the ID manually. It says text edit text 1, so I'm gonna change this to num2. Control save, control S to save. And you can see over here it's like wrapping the width and as well as the height. And here it says the layout below at plus ID num1. It's because it is below the num1 text field that we already set up. Again, I told you guys in the previous tutorial that it is the relative layout, so every text field, button, or anything like that will be relative to each other's. uh, so if you click on this, it's gonna show you a little as is saying like it's referring to this num1 text field. So you can see over here, same case is here. It says it's below the num1 text field, and it is in the center, so center is put true. And the margin from the num1 is 20 40 dp, sorry. Dp stands for density pixel. If you go ahead and change it to like 50 dp, or like say 70 dp to show you guys the difference, I'm gonna say is 70 dp. You can see the distance between the num1 and num2 text field is now uh, get changed. So I'm gonna say it for 40 dp. That's good. So control S. And one thing we need also to put a button to that will show user to add it. So I'm gonna drag and drop a button, double click on it, and the text of the button is saying button. You can change it to like to say add, to add the button. And I'm gonna change the ID of button to be add, for like button add. Hit on control S, and you can see it change every change appears over here too. Next thing, I need that a text field, a text view basically, to display the result. So I'm gonna drag and drop a large text view over here it is. Where is that? Alright, yeah, here it is. So double click on it. It says large text view. You can change it something like some is like, and something like that. And you can change it, the text view, to TV display, because it is displaying the text. And yeah, we are pretty much done with our graphical layout of our for our first application. In the next uh, tutorial I will show you how to make this work. You can check this whether it is running or not on your emulator. Just go ahead and right click on the whole package and go ahead and put go to run as an Android application, and this will load up to our emulator. It's gonna take a little bit to start emulator, so I'm gonna pause the video. Just select any virtual device, hit on OK, and that will load on the emulator. I'm gonna pause the video for a second. So yep, our application successfully installed on the emulator. You can see over here um, there's two text field to enter two number, and if you go ahead and click on the add button, it's actually not doing anything just because we haven't done anything in Java to make this application do something. So in the next tutorial I'm gonna work with Java. So thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel and give thumbs up if you like, and I see you guys in the next tutorial.